Plastic stuffed mushroom is a total crowd pleaser. It is easy to serve them as quick as possible, and it is also an easy party appetizer or a veggie dish for the holidays. No matter how many you make, they are always gone in an instant. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get regular updates of our channel. Take a frying pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 2 spoons of chopped garlic, and saute it for about a minute. Then add in 1 cut onion and stir fry it. Now let's add in 1 red capsicum finely chopped and 1 yellow capsicum finely chopped and saute them well. I have finely chopped the stems of mushroom, and now I am adding this along with the veggies and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt according to your taste. And then I am adding in 1 spoon of chili powder, and half a spoon of oregano. Mix them all well. Next, we will move on to the baking of the mushroom. For this, take a baking tray and brush in the bottom of the baking tray with some oil. Meanwhile, scoop in the inner part of the mushroom a little bit with a spoon and keep the mushrooms ready for us to add in the stuffing into them. Now, fill in the veggie stuffing that we just got ready into the mushrooms and give it a slight tap on the top to make sure that the veggies does not spill off the mushroom. I am following the same method to fill in the mushrooms with the veggies that I have made and layering everything into the baking tray. Here I have used colored bell peppers as the veggie stuffing. You can also use alternative veggies like broccoli or potato, or you can also use paneer, which goes very well along with the mushroom. Once the layering of the mushroom is completely done, top it with a lavish amount of mozzarella cheese over the top. And then sprinkle some mixed herbs over it. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees and bake the stuffed mushroom for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our mushrooms are now baked and ready. Tender golden mushroom caps, overstuffed with veggie toppings and baked until brown. Yup, they are yummy. Our yummy to tummy veggie stuffed mushrooms are now ready to be served.